turn fabric scraps into patches to mend shopping bags or mend our clothes. Let me pull you closer, then you can have a little look. Sam and I were walking down the road the other day and he said, "Oh, Mum, there's a hole in this bag, better mend it. And I thought, oh yeah, a friend made it for me, and that might be 12 or 13 years ago, and I honour it by using it all the time, and I wash it. And so I said, oh yeah, I'll put a patch on it. I'm walking down the road and Sam said, oh, you can make them round patches. Here's little WYSIWYG. She carries all the scrips and scraps of fabric. I've got some here. On a old linen tea towel. Let's just sew them on. Or you can do slow stitching if you want. And just keep going until it's all full up and the pieces are patched on. I've got raw edges here. I haven't folded the edges over. Another little bit. Oh, that's lovely fabric. Let's snip that off. Gorgeous. Like a vintage feel. Just place it on. Wonderful. And then just keep going. Oh, I'm loving this. Isn't she a gorgeous machine? This will be the last thing I sew on her. Her name is Precious. And then she'll be making her way to Africa. And then on the back of my lovely patchy fabric, you can do this slow stitching if you want to. I'm going to make some circles. I need a fairly big one for the patch. Let's see. That'll do it. Nikki bought me this gorgeous ribbon. Isn't it lovely with deer on? Oh, if you can hear banging, that's Bob the Builder out there. Just draw around this. It doesn't need to be with that special iron-off pen because this is on the back. And this linen backing, this tea towel, is quite strong. Look, I literally just grabbed this. This little jar of paper clips is just that size of the dots. I'm going to draw some more of these. And wow, now you can put these in your fabric journal, these circles. I might do that actually. Or you can make them into brooches. Actually, we love using circles, don't we? Let's have 3. And what about mending a blouse like this? Pin them into place. So over the hole, that'll be round there. Let's get some pins. Oh, get my little bird pins. So cute. Right, let's do this. Oh, wouldn't this look, even if you haven't got holes in a blouse or a jumper, wouldn't these be nice? And randomly over the dots or in between. I think I'm going over the dots. What are you saying? You might be saying something to me. There we are. them over. Oh, like that. Yes. Oh, I'm loving this. And again, this is what I call teamwork. I'd have never thought of doing circles. And then I was thinking, what I wanted to make was a little rabbit from this fabric that I'd created. And just a little simple rabbit. And then I suddenly thought, oh no, let's do those patches. I have one there. Oh, make them into patches. I am loving this. Oh, that's lovely. I'll cut those out and we'll see what we've got. I think it's lovely because I don't know what's going to be on the other side. Oh, I like the surprise and the randomness of them when you turn them over. Wonderful. And all the little bits I'm putting in here for a project. And we've still got some left to make other things. This circle, when I cut it out, didn't have anything there, so that will make a lovely slow stitch project for another day. It's the okay. Ready? Woo! Yeah, he's all sleepy. And Flo, what are you up to? Ah, we're not the only ones mending and servicing a sewing machine. Look at Flo, you mending your machine, giving it a service. Do you want to borrow the oil, Flo? Great. Little Freddie. Oh, you know the person who gave me this bag. It's his mum.
It still looks like...
No, she looks lovely. I love it. It's going to keep you really warm. Need a hat as well. I need to crochet. No.
Well, while we're doing this is what she also brought back. Look, we could have put the ribbon round her.
Ooh,
so this is from Jelena Gora, and they have, their logo is the deer, because I think it's Jelena is the word for deer in Polish. Oh, so we got some ribbon.
You brought that back from Poland. Oh, that's gorgeous.
Yeah.
Oh. We've really given you a little road test machine. Wow, you are in for some bumpy roads in Africa. Ah, dear, I've enjoyed every minute of you. And wow. Just love you, love using you. Always ready. Just waiting there. I'll miss you when you've gone. We've named her Precious. Yeah, and just sew your patches on with a machine or by hand. This could be a glorious hand project if you wanted it to be. What a joy. What a joy you are. I think your name might be Precious Joy. Just going round and round. Oh, I think these look great. Yes,
From the start.
Yeah.
Right. That's it, so I don't have the shadow.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining us today. Flo, would you like a cake I've made? When I make fairy cakes, I make little ones for Flo too. Bob the Builder's already had one today. He didn't want the icing on. He had one without icing with his morning cup of tea. Oh, that was fun. Oh, this machine, absolutely love her. I got this from Eileen. Thank you so much, Eileen. So thoughtful. Look, it's a little Christmas bauble tag and it's got Africa on it. And I was going to put it in my Africa journal, my travel journal. I thought, how wonderful to put on my sewing machine journal, the front of my sewing machine journal that's going to record the journeys of these individual machines. This is the page for Precious Joy here. So let me pop that there so it doesn't get lost on the desk, and I'm going to pin that on the cover. Thank you so much. Oh, let me read to you. Julia gave me this gorgeous book yesterday, the Country Diary Christmas book, Sarah Hollis. Absolutely wonderful book. It's even got knitting patterns in. I love that. Just using this as a bookmark. The robin. I love the lark that cleaves the morning skies, and that inspired recluse the nightingale. I love the wandering voice that cuckoo cries, and doves that plead anon in beech and vale. But oh, when all the red and russet fires have waned at last along the woodland way, how fresh and clear amid the ruined choirs the wild sweet snatches of the robins lay. Trim-suited bard, beneath that ruddy vest, the lyric soul of music surely lives, and as it takes with storm his tiny breast, he little knows the joy to me he gives. Oh, we always love to see a robin, don't we? Or sometimes it would be a red cardinal, wouldn't it? And we always say, if a red bird appears, a loved one is near, don't we? Oh, it's one of my little slow stitch robins there. Jennifer, Flo loves. Oh look, on one of the houses it says, is that a door? Oh, I thought it said FL, FF. It's a little door. The detail is amazing. Thank you so much. Miniature art for Flo. She loves it. Thank you so much, Jennifer. When we light the candle, it's just a little bit of time for us just to breathe and a little bit of self-care and thinking about others too. Take care, everyone. Bye. Oh, yes, I said that, didn't I, Freddie? That means you get a treat. Oh, yes. Right. Oh, lovely. Steve's come for the final fitting. What did you make? Show us, Steve.
Yeah.
Isn't that amazing? Actually,
with the washer as well.
Did you make the washer?
Yeah.
Wow, thank you. I did manage to get the replacement. It's these hinges that go in here. I did manage to get those sent to me in time, but Steve thinks, why break these up? We'll need these for another machine, because all we needed was this screw. So we've got 2 now. Notice I'm just chatting and Steve's doing all the work. Have you noticed that? He's concentrating. And that goes in there. See, we do need these to keep this secure on here.
Stop it coming apart.
This is amazing. Look at how it automatically goes. How does that know to go from one side to the other to load the bobbin evenly?
It's just because when it gets to one end, it
that
does
is,
want to climb back on itself.
to me, that is pure beauty. Look at this system. This is amazing, because you don't even have to take your work out here. Oh, that is. Can you see all the parakeets? That's amazing. Right, and we're just near a little car park on a busy road. Gonna go and do some shopping.